daylight has hit. As you can see, there are other people sleeping out here, people over there, same as there were some people over there last night. That's been our bed. But the hotel doesn't look damaged from the outside. It's the inside where, above the beds, the ceilings have come down and landed on a few people, a few head injuries. This is the quiet pool, so there's not so many people stayed here because there's no toilet. The others are all staying at the other pool around there, but quite a few people slept out here because of cracks in their rooms, and they didn't want to go back in, obviously, in case there was the second tremor. So yeah, our room is actually that one with the swimming pool, but our room last night was that. And gigantic fucking ants come out this morning. I swear to God, they're on steroids, the ants. So there's no rubble like you see on the news. It's just inside, and mainly the top floor where the ceilings have come down, and the first floor have got the cracks, obviously, because of the movement. Pool's fine, bar's fine. I'm not sure if the airport's open yet, so no, we're not coming home. What more can go fucking wrong? It's a shame. Hotel's beautiful. Anyway, Darren's had some sleep. I've not really. Hey ho, we're safe. That's all that matters.